Today I am going to tell you what to do or how to repair the biryani in which masala flavor is very less after the preparation also. I am going to give you two tips here. Listen to both the tips carefully. In case you have any other doubts or queries, you can leave it in the comment section. We'll make sure that we answer to all your questions or queries. Tip number 1. Take a kadai, add some chopped onions. Add a little bit of ginger garlic paste according to your flavor, according to your choice, and then add a little bit of garam masala to it after it is nicely fried. Now add salt etc. according to your taste. Add this to the biryani, cooked biryani. Now give it a thorough mix nicely. Now on the gas stove and just give one whistle to one pressure in the pressure cooker. That means you cook it on slow heat for some time, and after some time when you observe, you can see the fresh flavor coming out. That is, the masala gets nicely mixed in the rice, cooked rice, and then the flavor gets adjusted. Tip number 2. Take a small vessel, add a ladle of curd to it or yogurt, thick yogurt. Now add the garam masala to this. Mix it well nicely, add some salt to it. Now add this mixture to the biryani prepared. Now mix it thoroughly without disturbing the texture and cook it in slow heat, or you can give one dum, or as they refer, or you can just cook it in slow heat for one pressure in the pressure cooker. What happens is, this fresh masala which is mixed in the yogurt gives extra smell to the biryani, and then the flavor becomes perfect. Thank you.